One of the hardest things to do as an e-commerce entrepreneur is come up with new ideas for content for your business, how you go about doing your blog posts, your videos and things like that. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to come up with all the content ideas that you will ever need, and to be sure that they're going to be useful for your customers too. Now, if you like this kind of information from helping you build your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below and I'll answer for you personally. So here's a very simple way to find content ideas for blog posts and for writing and for YouTube videos and for podcast episodes content. Yeah. So what you're always looking for is things to talk about, things to write about, like what the hell do your customers want? Okay. So what I do is I come here next to all of my crazy things on the screen. I wonder if it's because, hold on. And I go to, so what's this? This is actually a product that I am very interested in. This is a makeup remover, and I like it because it's a consumable product. And I think that if you can make something kind of unique out of this makeup remover, and I think there is plenty of that, then it's a great product to be in. So that's why I'm looking at it anyway. So suffice to say that. But look, there's 111 answered questions here. So if I click on those, I've got all these little bit questions here. What is the difference between this and original formula? Well, that's a question about what's in the formulation. Okay. Should I use a new pad for each eye, or can I use one pad for both eyes? Well, that's a question I can turn into something about using the product, for instance. Okay. And I can shoot a YouTube video about it, get some attractive young lady to do that. I can do something with it. Okay. So all of these questions here are potential opportunities for you to turn them into content that you can then, what I think of as building a moat around your brand. When somebody goes online, you want them just find you everywhere. Okay. Nicola Cairncross calls it being everywhere online. And I really like that. And it's a really good way of getting some ideas. So that's one way I do it. The other thing I do as well is I use Answer the Public. Very cool piece of kit. Answer the Public, it's a free service. And if I just type in the thing, like dry eyes, for instance, which is another thing I'm kind of interested in, I get all these different questions that have been asked either on different search engines and been logged. Okay. So are dry eyes a symptom of COVID? Immediately becomes a piece of content I can write about. Who is the dry eyes guy? Well, that's not, but why do I get dry eyes at night? So all these different things allow me and give me ideas to turn into content, and they're genuine questions that people have been online to ask. So what I do is I take them, turn them into content. That's a video which ranks really well on Google and on YouTube, of course, or a blog post or whatever it may be. And I put it on my thing. And then when somebody searches for it next time, hopefully they find me, they come to my site. Within that particular piece of content, I then talk about my own product in that particular niche. Okay. So cool. Hi, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and of course to come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is below in the description, and I will see you on the inside.